Hey, what is up guys? This is Shitij and you're watching TechNetM Dev. So in today's video, we are gonna work with Construct 2 and today we are gonna learn that how to add a object, a background or you can say a sprite. So in Construct 2 or any other game developing software, we call it as sprite. So today we are gonna learn that. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first let's open our construct 2. So this, as you can see, this is a program, and if you didn't see my previous video, you can go to the I button over here or in the description where I'll give a total timeline that what we did in every video. So there you can see whatever we did. So you can go there, you can revise, you can learn, or whatever you want to do, you can go there. So for good sprites or good objects with a good designing and animation, you have to go to Chrome. So here I prefer the site Kenny Game Assets, and this is a site www.kenny.nl/assets. So you get a lot of voiceovers and assets. By the way, assets is a kind of pack where you get all the images, all the animations, all the objects. So this is it. So this is 3D images, 2D images, whatever you need you can get here. You can get the paid versions too. So this is of $9.95. So I prefer going with the free versions for now, and you are gonna get a lot of good stuff in this free version. So if I want to get this sprites with animation, I like this character, so I can just hit download and it starts downloading. So after it downloads, we'll simply open it, and I'll show you how to insert a sprite object over here. So first let's open this. So as you can see, there are many sets, which is female adventurer, female person, male adventurer, male person, and so on. So here in downloads, I would just take this to my so from my downloads, I would just take it to my desktop and paste it over here, and I will simply extract all the files. So this is a inbuilt feature in Windows. So if you are having problems in this, you can download 7-zip. So I will also give that download link in the description, and you can just check if you have a 64-bit PC or a 32-bit PC by going to the file explorer, and just go to properties, and you can just see which bit PC you have. So as you can see, I have the 64-bit operating system and 64-bit processor. So you can see that it's 64-bit. So I downloaded the 64-bit version of the 7-zip. So for now I'm just gonna do extract all and then hit extract, and let's wait for a few moments, and I will show you the work of the objects bar here in the projects bar and the properties bar. So let's wait. So as you can see, I have extracted everything over here, and then you can just open male adventurer png, and just go to poses, and I'm getting a HD version of it, poses of HD, and I have the animations attack, attack 1, attack 2, kick, and back, behind, and cheer, cheer 1, climb 2, and so on. Whatever animation you need, it's here. So first let's go to our construct 2. here just double click or just simply right click and insert, just hit insert object, hit sprite, and here I can name it as player, which will obviously be my player, which I can move here and there. And a pop-up opens here, like the color palette and stuff. If you don't have a asset, but I have the asset, so I will just load an image from a file. I'll go to desktop, Kenny Toon characters, male adventurer, png, poses hd. So as you can see, this is the file, and here I will search for idle character image. So here is idle, and I am gonna open this, and as you can see, the character is inserted. And one thing you should always do is to crop the image so it doesn't leave behind the extra space above the head, like on the right side or the left side. So always crop the image, it automatically crops it. And always check the collision points and make it till the whole body. So collision points is the thing that where is your player till, and till where can the player collide to a object. So if you keep the leg, if you don't keep the leg here, so your player will go inside the ground and it doesn't look good. So you can just simply pull it down till the leg so it acts as a solid object, and I'll just simply close it now. So as you can see, my player is inserted over here, and I'll just make it a bit smaller. And here is my player. And one more thing to do, you can simply go to Chrome, and again you can download the ground and stuff. But if you don't want to download it, you're just testing your game, you can just simply go to construct to, simply go to sprite and just write whatever you want. Like I need ground now, so I'll open ground, I will add a object here, and for ground I am gonna take green grass. So this looks good to me. And now I'm gonna make a slab kind of thing which acts as a floor. And now we are gonna work with the properties bar, where you can just add the behaviors as whatever it is. It's solid or it's platform. We are gonna give the behavior to our player so it works. So you can just add it to solid. And so I know it takes time to understand, so you can just rewind the video and see it again. And this is our player. We are gonna add the behaviors of platform or a platformer, so it jumps on the solid object. And let's run the game to see the preview. So as you can see, this comes as a preview on your default browser. So as you can see, my player is walking right now. It doesn't have any animations. It's literally so simple that it doesn't have any animations. It just walks here and there without any animations, and you can just control it using the arrow keys. So this is all for this video. So I hope you understood this video, and if you didn't, you can just go back to the starting and start again. There is no worries in that. You can just go and learn this and be thorough with this, because while making any new game, you need to have this understanding that if you're making a player, you need to make it a platformer and make the ground as solid so that the player doesn't fall off. So if I show you a thing that if I don't make it solid in the behaviors, the player would obviously fall down because it's not solid. And there is no coding in this, only drag and drop or thing. So as you can see, my player fell down through the ground, which is not expected. So this is all for this video. So be thorough with this and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.